Hello, this is Subrat Kumar Pal from Rajshahi. I was born in October 20, 1980 at Jamalpur district, Bangladesh. Involved in human rights activities for long 20 years. I am studied at honors in Bengali under National University and MBA in Management Studies and MSS in Mass Communication and Journalism from Rajshahi University. My prime objective is to serve the humanity interested to flourish career in social development sector in any promising and committed organization with a view of explorer leadership qualities and thus led the profession towards a better Bangladesh. I started job career as a program officer in the International Volunteer Organization in Rajshahi area, the Hunger Project. Total length of service of the Hunger Project Bangladesh about 12 years plus. I performed the duties and responsibilities as the field coordinator, operation and monitoring of Prodigy program. Prodigy means promoting democratic inclusion and governance through youth by the British Council and implemented by the Hunger Project from 1st October 2014 to 31 June 2019, phase 1 and 2. Also active citizens program by the British Council and implemented by the Hunger Project for 1st October 2009 to 30 September 2019 as a responsibilities coordinator. I am working here in this country for a civil society organization. Sujon means Citizens for Good Governance. Along with work in the Hunger Project as coordinator. In 2015, I attended in 3 weeks long international visitor leadership program on strengthening civil society issues in USA. Visited United States of America to participate in a regional project international visitor leadership program entitled Strengthening Civil Society sponsored by the US Department of State from 21st September to October 9, 2015. I also playing an active role on issues of good governance through newspaper and television channels and talk shows broadcast by Independent TV, Shamai TV, Jamuna Television, News 24, Channel 24, NTV, Masranga TV, SCTV, etc. Also moderates different talk shows on contemporary issues on Baranda Online Television and Community Radio Podda 99.2 FM. Strengthen local government and ensuring social harmony in Bangladesh in my motto. Being linked with various social and cultural organizations, I am working to build a strong society through organizing the civil society and involved in youth movement for the formation of rational society with youth. Also, I am founder president of an organization, Projonmo, means Prokriti Jonno Mamata, to save environment. Also, Joint Secretary General of National Debate Federation, founder of the Children Journalists Forum, and moderator of the Mamishing Bitarko Parishad as well. I am playing important role in making country free from hunger and poverty, drug and militant, and also in ensuring environmental balance. In 2009, I participated in Active Citizens Program training in London. Currently working with the Lighthouse Bangladesh as a monitoring, evaluation, learning coordinator, Daro project under PAR program Counterpart International and financed by the US Aid and UK Aid. In a nutshell, my biography. Thank you so much for your hearing.